Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena Mosaner. This session is designed to help you tune your energy, to become an attractor, not a chaser. There are things in this world that are meant for you, your unique story and purpose, opportunities, people, success, abundance, not forced, not chased, but magnetized to you. If there are distractions during this session, they will not interfere. Instead, they will take you deeper. Each sound, each moment, guiding you further into alignment. Now take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your body soften. Let your mind settle. Again, a deep breath in and exhale fully. Relaxing into yourself. Now imagine your body as an antenna. A powerful receiver, adjusting, tuning, constantly tuning and receiving. Just like a radio picking up countless frequencies, your mind is constantly surrounded by endless streams of information, signals, and distractions. If you don't know exactly what station you're searching for, it's easy to get lost in the noise, randomly tuning in to whatever plays the loudest or most appealing or even unnecessarily exciting. Most people do this random tuning in without even realizing it, unconsciously picking up external influences and letting them shape their thoughts and actions. But what if you could take control? What if you could consciously adjust your dial to tune in only to what truly aligns with you? This session is designed to help you find this focus so you can enter the era of magnetism and attracting your dream life in alignment with your life purpose and fulfillment, while fully connected to higher source and guidance every step of the way. This will be the switch, a dial turning, and a new life will unfold. There's a wavelength that is transmitting the life you are meant to live. Successful, fulfilled, the right people are there. The right timing, the flow. How do you get there? How do you tune and stay there? You must clear the static. Right now, there may be layers that have been distorting your reception. It's very common. It's part of the learning journey. Layers that may feel familiar and habitual to hold on to. Fears, doubts, old programming. Patterns that are not even yours. Distractions pulling you in too many directions. You don't need to analyze them right now. You just need to decide something very specific. Are you ready to discard these distortions and distractions no matter how deeply ingrained they are? No matter how familiar or even comfortable and justified they feel? Make up your mind now. I will wait. If you are not ready, pause the session and return when you are. This will be the switch, a dial turning, and a new life will unfold. This will be the switch, a dial turning, and a new life will unfold. Get ready for a ride. You naturally derive unique lessons from past distortions. You will transcend your past mistakes and the blockages and include them as knowledge, valuable knowledge. This is the next phase of your life. Let's begin. Activating the frequency 1. Activating the frequency 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Say this out loud now. I intend to tune into the wavelength of my life story I am here to live and fulfill. I intend to tune into the wavelength of my life story I am here to live and fulfill. I intend to tune into the wavelength of my life story I am here to live and fulfill. Good. You intend to tune in to the wavelength of your life story. Distortions slip away. You move past them. Distractions turn into clarity. The new phase begins. The new phase begins. You fearlessly enter this unfolding story. Feel this frequency sharpening. New ideas and guidance unraveling from your energy field. And all doubts, old narratives, and limiting behaviors, like a tangled wire, they begin untwisting, loosening, falling away. Untwisting, loosening, falling away. Any fear of loss? Any fear of choosing the wrong path? Any hesitation? No more fear of missing out. No more uncertainty. Only clear, focused, magnetic energy. Only clear, focused, magnetic energy. Yes, focus, magnetic energy. Your true frequency is emerging. And you're stepping into it now, your personal flow. You're the attractor. It is all coming to you. You're the attractor. It is all coming to you. Time to receive. You're the attractor. It is all coming to you. I want you to imagine without limits. Imagine your ideal reality. See it as if it is already happening. Your dreams have come true. See it, feel it. You are living it. You are the attractor. It is all coming to you. What does it look like? You are the attractor. It is all coming to you. What are you doing? Who are you with? Where are you? You are the attractor. It is all coming to you. How does your bank account look like? See the glimpses of this frequency forming around you, like a broadcast signal coming into focus. brighter, clearer, stronger. Step fully into it. No hesitation, no doubt. You are here, you are already living it. You are the attractor. It is all coming to you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself lock into this energy. It is yours. Now, repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. I am a powerful attractor of what is meant for me. I am a powerful attractor of what is meant for me. I tune into perfectly aligned opportunities for my dream life and success. I tune into perfectly aligned opportunities for my dream life and success. I release distractions and focus my energy. I release distractions and focus my energy. I am now a magnet, and I attract amazing opportunities. I trust the timing of my path. I am now a magnet, and I attract amazing opportunities. I trust the timing of my path. I allow only what is truly mine to come to me. I allow only what is truly mine to come to me. I am connected to the right people, places, and events. I am connected to the right people, places, and events. I magnetize my ideal circumstances with ease. I magnetize my ideal circumstances with ease. I am in perfect flow with the life I am here to fulfill and enjoy. I am in perfect flow with the life I am here to fulfill and enjoy. I am a magnet for people, circumstances, situations, and opportunities that resonate with my true life purpose. I am a magnet for people, circumstances, situations, and opportunities that resonate with my true life purpose. Now take a final deep breath in. Exhale completely. You are fully aligned, tuned in, locked into your true frequency. From this moment forward, your energy draws in what is meant for you. No chasing, no forcing, just pure magnetism. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Open your eyes. This is Elena with HypnoCloud. For more transformative sessions, download the app at hypnocloud.com.